Ellen Popov's twin boys thrive because of Section 504.
They receive repeated directions. Sometimes he used to have read aloud because he's dyslexic, and we saw a huge jump from C grades to A's.
She worries this lawsuit could turn that progress back around.
It makes me nervous for my kid about what's going to happen. And if that goes away, what does that mean for our children?
Emory University Law School professor Alicia Hughes understands that fear, but says the lawsuit goes beyond education.
This lawsuit is geared toward one particular issue. We're not going to allow you to redefine disability pursuant to the Americans with Disabilities Act and its broad sweeping nature to include gender dysphoria.
The Americans with Disabilities Act explicitly excludes transvestism, transsexualism, and gender identity disorders from its disability definition. The lawsuit says adding gender dysphoria as a protected Section 504 disability would contradict that and, in turn, threaten their funding.
They're fighting to ensure that their funding or state funding is not affected. That would be helpful in other areas.
In a statement, the Georgia Attorney General's office told 11 Alive the constitutionality of 504 was never in question and that they filed the suit to protect the state's existing 504 program and the funding it receives by blocking the gender dysphoria rule.
So parents, in my humble opinion, should not be concerned. I don't think anyone is wanting to upset individual education planning for students with special needs and defined abilities consistent with what is written in the Americans with Disabilities Act. That's not what this lawsuit is geared at doing.
In Atlanta, Grace King, 11 Alive News.